Apollo. I'm the Romeo of the Czech pop. And I'm gonna sing you a song from very famous Caesar Vizitka. Hold it. Take now my business card, so you know who I am. I was a macho. I had a car and more girls. I lived a crazy way. I had a lot of days, but now I'm left alone. Oh, take this fucking business card. It is the last I have. Now, non-stop, wanna live non-stop, and with what comes up, I want to fight. Thank you very much.